A former chief of the Indian Navy has said that the scrapping of the indigenous Kaveri Engine program was the biggest blunder, and it's right time to start work on the successor of the program, or India will be forever dependent on foreign engine manufacturers for its jet engine requirements. He also said that the Chinese WS-10 engine has been under development since 1980, and yet China have not given up on its engine program, and they are still perfecting the jet engine technology, and has even produced 300 WS-10 engines in Mark II and Mark III variant for powering its J-10 and J-11 fighters. He also backed the testing of the Kaveri engine in current configuration for airborne test even with deficient thrust, so that it can be corrected in the future variant. India still does not have a fully functional wind tunnel facility that can simulate conditions at 40,000 to 50,000 feet, and was tested using a Russian Il-76 aircraft as a flying test bed at the Russia's BrahMos Flight Research Institute in 2010. According to a latest publication released by the Max Defense Philippines on 1st of June 2020, the Philippines has again confirmed its plans to procure the BrahMos supersonic anti-ship system from India. India and Philippines have concluded the price negotiation discussions, and the two countries are aiming to conclude the deal in the next few months. While the value of the contract has not been disclosed, it is reported to be a part of the $5.9 billion Philippines Defense Modernization Program. India has offered a $100 million line of credit to Philippines for defense purchases, but Philippines wants to acquire the BrahMos system with its own defense funds from the next budget. The chief operating officer of Tata Lockheed Martin joint venture firm has said that the Indian facility will accelerate production of fighter jet and helicopter components by the end of 2020. The facility has also started to manufacture wings of F-16 fighter jet for export, with an initial capacity to manufacture 4 wings per month. The Indian facility is also manufacturing airframe components of the C-130 aircraft and S-92 Sikorsky helicopter. He also said that the increase in foreign direct investment will attract original equipment manufacturers to establish their manufacturing facilities in India, and these developments will open up new opportunities for the indigenous defense industry in India. In a valedictory ceremony held at the Combat Army Aviation Training School, 45 officers of the Indian Army have been awarded with Aviation Wings for successfully completing the 17-week Combat Aviators Course on 6 June 2020. The Indian Army already operates 3 units of the Rudra armed helicopters, and will also receive 6 Apache helicopters in 2023, and will subsequently pursue its case for additional Apache helicopters. The indigenous light combat helicopter was declared ready for production in February 2020, and after establishing production hangar, Hindustan Aeronautics is awaiting production orders from the government.